Dearest friends, today we're going to be making a dinosaur kale salad. Our privilege to share this with you, to share the vitality, the life force, the energies of existence that are embodied in these living greens. So let's begin with this beautiful romaine lettuce grown by Full Valley Farm, magnificent family farmers here in California. So let's make a bed of romaine lettuce. Okay. And now let's begin with dinosaur kale, but of course this is vibrant and alive. So here we go. Let's take a few leaves. Dinosaur kale. Let's add a little more of that. And then how about following that with some red Russian kale, red Russian. And now how about some of these gorgeous, gorgeous mustard greens? Look at the magnificent purple green color. And how about a few leaves of scrumptious mustard greens? And now to the dressing. And first we'll add a cup of spring water. Mm-hmm. And now how about a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter, the pillar of our business, our privilege, honor, and pleasure to bring this to you, our top selling item. So there we have almond butter. And now it's flashed into almond milk. And now let us add, for flavor and ecstasy, a heaping tablespoon of our walnut butter. The almonds and the walnuts are, of course, grown by California family farmers. Our privilege and honor to support them, the finest of people. And now let us add some Call of the Wild honey. And how about some Vermont maple syrup? And then to heighten and enhance the flavors, a dash of Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. And now let's pour the dressing over our salad. Mm-hmm. Now how about topping things off with some alive organic tomatoes. Tomatoes at this time of year are from Mexico, but of course. And how about some California red onions? And now some scrumptious California avocado. And let's mix this up. The colors are just gorgeous. The reds, the purples, and the yellow. It looks so scrumptious indeed. And let's give it a pinch of Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. Now how about taking this and using this as a topping? So here we have it, our dinosaur kale salad, up from the depths of winter for vivacity, energy, and kindness. Our secret ingredient is intentionality. That makes all the difference in the world. Our privilege to share. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below. Maybe even give us a like. Your suggestions and comments are so dear to us. Thank you for permitting me to share with you our privilege to exchange ideas. Let us go forward, my dearest of friends. My privilege to share.